My name is Chris Creech. I'm with the Wake County Sheriff's Office. I'm the major over the Emergency and Support Services Division, which includes the Emergency Communications Center, Information Technology, Property, Evidence, and Criminal Records. Primarily, we're responsible for the unincorporated areas of the county. 911 calls, crime investigations. We have a little over 1,000 staff members at the Sheriff's Office. About 400 of those are sworn deputies, and a little over 500 are detention officers that staff our detention facilities. Our investment in body-worn cameras, it allows us to have a bird's eye view of what's going on a scene. It gives the community the ability and the courts the ability to see what was going on during that period of time.
So we have been working with Wake County Sheriff's Office for a number of years and deploying technology solutions with them. And they reached out and said that they were ready to look at body-worn camera solutions. They wanted to make this deployment of body-worn cameras for the first time to be an ease of use transition. So what we did is we looked at those requirements, and some of those requirements were being able to have the video upload from the field, from the deputy's patrol car, versus them having to come back to a physical location and use a multi-dock to offload that video. So we were able to accomplish that during a field trial and show that the solution could do what they intended it to do from the field. One of the things that we did with the Sheriff's Office is help them develop that workflow.
The GETAC body-worn camera is an excellent solution in public sector for several reasons. One is the product itself is very rugged. In addition, one of the most important things about evidence capture is how do you store the data and how is that data organized?
GETAC goes into a lot of agencies and they've had a certain body-worn camera or in-car video for a certain period of time. And their number one reason for not wanting to move forward with a new solution is one, changing all the technology, changing the software, and then the implementation time that it takes for officers to learn. And that could be months and months. So we have to ensure that we make them feel at ease that we're going to take the burden off of them of having to do the implementation or to even understand their workflows. We have project managers at GETAC. We also have deployment managers at GETAC. We prepare everything that we need to do before we get on site. That includes the installation of the product in the cars, the training of the officers and the administrators. We take a lot of burden off of the agency, Wake County, to be able to make the transition really easy.
Our experience with GETAC body cams have been great. We have very little issues. This is not a system that we find that we have to babysit on a regular basis from an IT standpoint or really an operational standpoint. The end user implementation was pretty easy. The training for the cameras was easy. Our end users had no problems understanding it, no issues from an operational standpoint. Some of the improvements were the size and the weight of the camera, as well as the back-end platforms that our older camera system utilized was behind in technology in that the ease of accessing that information, searching it, finding what you were looking for. GETAC offered a much better user experience and user interface with their system. Our ability to sync the cameras with the GETAC in-car cameras, that is something we could not do prior to GETAC. New technology offered in the GETAC camera system was far better than what we had.
So the use of video has been instrumental for helping us evaluate what's occurred on scene, gets us the truth of what occurred, and helps us close out the incident.
We now have the ability to go back and look at how we handle the scene, how we handle people as individuals, and it gives the deputies the ability to, again, kind of look at it from a bird's eye view. We can find videos in the camera system based on that dispatch call ID number. So that helps record staff out greatly. It helps deputies out a lot. They work hand in hand with the computer-aided dispatch system on a more regular basis, so it's easier for them to find their calls that they're writing reports on, and then at the same time, they can link right to the in-car camera and body-worn camera video using that dispatch number. Our support experience with GovDirect is at a level above any of the other vendors that we deal with, be it all of the different products that we use in our environment. We chose GovDirect for that reason. We've never been told, well, Chris, you don't have a support contract for that. You pay the vendor for that support, and not us. That's never happened. They support us. They do everything they can to help us work through any kind of issue we may have in the past with some of our older systems, and they get us in contact with the vendor directly. They're always there with us all along the way. We know without a doubt that if we need something, we call them and they're going to be there to help.